Hey, welcome to Tech and Tea by Queen of It. If you're new here, my name is Queen, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design a full WordPress website using a tool called TasteWP. You do not need to sign up, so you don't need to stress about anything. So that's our dashboard. That is literally where we change all the designs, all the settings. So I'm setting up an icon for my site, and of course I've also set up like my site name. You can realize it has changed to Queen's Profile. So that's basically the full site editor where we find the navigation styles and then pages. Yeah, so then you still go back to your appearance, and then you go to themes. You choose your favorite theme. I normally prefer Astra because it is lightweight and easy to use. So I am changing how I would want my page to look like in form of colors and all that. So I'm trying to change the global color. Here you can adjust to change ignite the accent color, the links, the headings, and maybe the hover color and all that. If you're not very good at colors, maybe you can even still use a color palette for proper like color combinations and all that. So I'm creating my pages, or I choose the about me page, the projects, and then the contact me page, because it's basically like a personal portfolio. So maybe in the next class I'll show you how we come up with different menus, but for now let me just show you how we arrange menus. And of course you need to choose which page do you want to be your landing site. So I choose about me page. So let's go and do and edit our about page. So I'm using the block editors. You realize it's also like a full dashboard. So I chose an image because I want an image on the left and then content on the right hand side. So depending on what you want to write, so me I chose like 2 columns. This is very easy, guys. So I also chose the buttons so that when I tap on those buttons, they can link me to the other page. So I've chosen a button for view projects and then contact me. I've also linked them with the URL for the next pages. Yeah, so now the most sensitive part here is if you choose an image, you cannot write on it, but if you choose a cover, you can write on the cover. So I chose a cover because I wanted to write on it here. It has a watermark because I just downloaded an open source image, so do not mind about it. I have so much love quotes, so that's a quote that has kept me moving. So that's how our about page looks like. Meanwhile, with no code, oops. So that's our contact page. I would love so much like to put something that can help me relate with my clients or someone who has just visited my page. I want to know how they feel about it. So that's why I'm adding like a contact me page where you can just maybe put your name or business name and then an email, put your WhatsApp number so that maybe I can get back to you just in case you needed maybe my help or you want to collaborate with me. Yeah. So you can put your message there. So a message I put was, your profile was very good. Would you mind making me like also a business website? And then you submit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please click the subscribe button, like, comment. Thank you.